Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. In the last video, what we have done, we have created the branch, pushed the code and merge the request. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to do the switching between the branches. Suppose in the last branch I have done the login register part, right? And the current branch I am doing the, you can say, password reset functionality. But suddenly the team says that the login register has some text issues. Okay, so what I can do, because currently I am on the new feature branch, right? So how I'm going to switch that branch, right? So that phenomena come that I need to switch with the login register branch. I want to just change the text over here. Now then I can push that code into that branch. Then whatever I have the current branch, I will take the pull request from that branch and then start working on it. Okay, so how it gonna be work, I will explain you. Let's get started. So let's create the two branches. Okay, so in the let's create a one more branch. So like this, commit. So check out new feature to branch. Okay, so here I'm going to add some of the changes. Okay, so let's add touch. Here you can see Rajnikant 2.txt. So here I'm going to add this one. So let's git add. Okay, and git commit -m, adding new files. Okay, so git push origin. So this is the branch name is new feature hyphen 2. Let's push it technical Rajni 90, and here I'm going to just use my password over here. This is the password. Let's copy this and add it over here. Okay, done. That means here you can see that new feature has the recent changes. I'm going to compare and pull the request. So adding new files, I'm going to push it into the main branch, right? So create pull request. Okay, so there is a no merge conflict is there, right? Merge the pull request, confirm the changes, and now this file is gonna be added to the main branch. Okay, so if I go and just check this one, here you can see new feature 2 has a new file that is Rajnigan.txt, but in this one new feature, so here you can see there is no that files, right? Because this file has, but I want to work on this file new feature branch, and because I have to do some of the changes, right? So let's see how we are going to proceed with and work coming with the, now we have to come to the role of the branches, switching the branches right now. So how to switch the branches, so I have to work on that one. So here we go with git checkout the branch name. So I want to move to the my previous branch, that is git checkout. You have to mention git checkout, and I will go with, I need to work on the new feature branch. New feature branch I want to work. So you can see that if I go with a branch, here you can see that I can switch to my new branch. Here I will work. Okay, so here you can see that here you can work. Okay, so touch, we will add a new branch over here, or touch any file, that is Rajnikant 3.txt file. Okay, so now I'm going to add this file. Now git to push with commit -m. So here you can see the switch branches there. I have switching the branches with like git checkout new feature branch. Okay, so now you can work on this branch and push the code accordingly. Okay, creating a new file, new file. Okay, this is done. Now you can push the code to your branch, git push origin and feature. Which branch is there? It's a new feature, right? So new feature. Okay, so make it technical Rajni T, and here we go with this one. Just let's, okay, I need a token right now, so here we go with the token. So just copy and paste it. Okay, so here you can see that you have switched the branch, you have worked on this branch, and generate a merge request over here. Okay, so It isn't reflected right now. I have pushed into the new feature. So currently I need to go with the main branch. So it will give me that technical Rajni 90 pull request is there. Okay, so the new feature. Mhm. So where is my commit unwatch? No, this is pull requests. Okay, so new pull request I will generate, right? So we will discuss how to do this pull request and all, okay, in the next video. So whenever you want to switch these branches, you can do like this and work on your current branches and push the code accordingly. Okay, so in the large companies this is required. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. In the coming videos, we are going to learn about how to resolve in the Git conflicts. Suppose you are working on the current branch, same person is working on the same branch, and you do the code, and both are pushing the code at the same time. Then I'm trying to merge your branches to the main branches. Okay, you are not pulling from the main branches. So how to resolve this kind of conflicts, we are going to learn in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.